great car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's super cool. Yeah. I have a question for you, Thomas. So while the industry often focuses heavily on the premium tech, but the biggest growth engine in China transition right now is actually the 100K RMB segment. So I'm wondering strategically, what is Volkswagen's answer to delivering the smart mobility at this volume price point without compromising on quality?
Well, this is actually the answer for those customers who are seeking high quality, smart mobility at an affordable price. By electrifying our Jetta brand, we are building on the leadership that it has in affordable fuel-powered vehicles and transition it to the electric era of the 100,000 RMB market. And more than 5 million Chinese customers have already put their trust into the Jetta brand. 35 years ago, one car changed how a generation of families moved through the world. And today, that story begins again. The Jetta X, next to me here, is with this new design language, and the new Jetta logo is translating the brand's unmistakable, solid and dependable DNA into a modern and instantly recognizable presence. The new Jetta the models will bring together smart and practical solutions with the unmatched Volkswagen DNA of quality, offering the perfect balance of performance and reliability and best value for China's growing retail level car market.
Yeah, nice.
By 2028, we will introduce 4 NEV models under the new Jetta brand, all smart, practical, and safe.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you for walking us through the sheer scale of this rollout. It's a definitive strategic answer for every level of the market. 我们能看到，在10万元的市场，捷达同样带来了
In the 100,000 RMB yuan market, Jetta is delivering performance and reliability, adding to the possibilities.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.